Okay, so may nagpapagawa ng quotation para sa product na to, yung AIA Plus Signature. Ito yung hindi VUL, tapos may guaranteed na payout para sa anak niya na 7 years old. So ayan, no, 7 years old female, tapos yung owner 39 years old, no, yung nanay, yun yung naging owner. So dun sa pinakamurang option na yung face amount natin is 250,000, tapos ang life insurance mo is doble ng face amount, which is 500,000. Yon. Tapos bukod doon, of course, dito sa product na to, ito yung may guaranteed payout na 10% nitong 250,000. So 25,000 every 2 years. Tapos merong rider na payer's benefit on death and disability. Kasi kapag yung bata yung insured, yung payer, which is yung magulang, syempre upon death niyan, kung sakali man, wala na magbabayad ng plan. So nilagyan natin ng ganong rider, 2,000 lang naman. So all in all, 33,780 lang per year yung 20 years to pay. Ngayon, kung gagawin natin the same product, A Plus Signature na 250,000 face amount, gagawin natin 10 years lang, tapos meron pa rin yung same rider na yun na payer's benefit on death and disability. Titignan natin kung magkano. So ito, actually, the same, no? Face amount, 250K, life insurance, 500K. Ang laking mura niya, 56,679.89 lang. Hindi siya doble ng 23,000 or ng 33,000, which is 33 times 2, about 66. Parang nakasave ka ng 10,000 dito, 10 years to pay. Oo, yes, mas mahal lang konti yung annual, pero over 10 years, 566,000 lang yun kasi 56,000 times 10. Compared mo dun sa 20 years to pay na 33 times 20, which is about 660,000, no? Around that yung magiging annual mo, yung total na premium mo. Yun, so pwede rin mas mataas yung payout, pwede rin maging 500,000 face amount, so 50,000 yung payout, pwedeng 1 million face amount, 100,000 yung payout, every 2 years siya na hanggang age 100 nung insured. So kung yung 7-year-old na bata yung insured, hanggang mag-age 100 siya. 'Di ba? So napakaganda. Guaranteed yung payout mo, insured pa siya, nakapagbigay ka pa ng insurance sa kanya. So meaning yung apo niya, yung possible na maging beneficiary niya dito, no? So ang dami yung nag-benefit. Pero habang ikaw yung owner, habang buhay yung owner, siya yung makakatanggap ng payout every 2 years. So kung 7 yung bata, plus 6 years, kasi ika-6th year, end of 6 years makakatanggap, 13 pa lang siya, nakakatanggap na siya ng 25,000. Or depende kung magkano yung face amount. But yun yung pinakamura. So, ang ganda, di ba?